Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your W-2 employer form. First, ensure you have your W-2 form from your employer. This document reports your annual wages and the amount of taxes withheld from your paycheck. It's crucial for accurately preparing your income tax return. We'll cover the essential steps to make this process straightforward and stress-free, helping you understand each section. Once you have your W-2, decide if you'll e-file using tax software or submit a paper return. If using software, simply input the information from each box on your W-2 into the corresponding fields. Pay close attention to your employer's EIN, your wages in Box 1, and federal income tax withheld in Box 2. Double-check all numbers before moving on to other income or deductions. Remember to report all income sources, not just your W-2 wages. Even small amounts, like those under $600, contribute to your total taxable income. It's also wise to keep copies of your W-2 forms and your completed tax returns for at least 3 years. This helps if you ever need to amend a return or respond to an IRS inquiry. After reviewing everything, submit your tax return by the deadline, typically April 15th. If you owe taxes, make sure to pay them on time to avoid penalties. If you're due a refund, it will be processed after submission. For more helpful tips and to grab some Little Trees black ice for a fresh car, check out the links and other deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.